Hey guys, welcome to a fairly old game, I will admit, Slime Rancher. I am very late to this, but who cares? So I'm going to start a new name. We are going to call it Dogestopia. Adventure, casual, or rush. I'm gonna go for adventure. Look at the little bims slime in the back and the rat slime up there and the pink slime down in the corner. They're adorable. 1,000 light years away from Earth, on a planet known as the Far Far Range, Beatrix LeBeau begins her first day as a slime rancher. Let's get moving. WASD. Backwards, left, right. Hop it. Forward and jump. Pretty simple, pretty simple. Back. Right click. Select that tank and shoot it with left. You want to suck up that star. Okay, I did what I was instructed. Now what? Do I just collect these? Chickadoo. Oh, now it tells me what to do. Right, let's sacrifice this hen. Bye, hen. What is that? Some form of pink diamond. Pink plort. So we'll sell it. I missed. I'm just toying around with the cursor. Okay, explore. Well, first thing I'm going to do is kidnap another pink slime. Then kidnap you. Right, let's go. There's like an entire civilization of them over here. Well, let's go collect this civilization and force them into our corral, I believe. Let's go grab some carrots. Next to a backpack, it's the rancher's best friend. Do we eat carrots? Do we feed them carrots? I'm presuming both. Let's go kidnap some more of these guys. You're required for my slime experiments. Ooh, more pink slimes. Okay, right, I've kidnapped the maximum amount I can, so I'm gonna go back to the ranch now. Right, towards the corral. And yeet some. No, the pig slimes are escaping! Who said you could do that, ma'am? And sir, come back. No leaving the area, sir. Wait, they're gonna form against me. Use each other to escape. Okay, well, while they're trying desperately to escape, I am going to purchase a garden so that I can grow some pogo fruits. Because apparently they like pogo fruits. Okay, right then, I guess you can have all of these. Whoever gets it, gets it. And you can just eat all of those as well. Believe you can get upgrades on these to do stuff for you. There's also a drone, which is handy. High walls, air net, plort collector, and auto feeder. Those are the ones I want. Anyway, so probably about 50 of these would equal 500 coins. I don't care if I'm accidentally sucking up the pink slimes as well. I sucked up 17 of them, there were 22 in the enclosure. That's not concerning. Okay, 14, oh no, 15. And whoever's hungry can have these. Oh, there you go. Some carrots lodged in here. Or a carrot. Oh, that's you're doing, isn't it? Okay, let me sell all the pink ones. Okay, well, that went well. Got 180 coins. Actually, that would be 170. Time to go kidnap a new variant of slime, hopefully. There are some pink slimes, don't need those anymore. I have a practically infinite oh, you mangled all of them, didn't you? I can just feed you. Give me your plort. I know it's practically your poo, but let's go see if we can find the new slime. This place looks. Oh my gosh, I saw blue. Finally, something that's not pink. I want more of them. They're not pink. Of course, I want more of them. I think these guys eat carrots. I might just be saying random stuff. What's that? Eat. Oh, that tells me about stuff. Oh, that's helpful. So that's basically a map. No, don't eat the heads. I need those. I don't need their children. I just need them. Don't eat them. I need their children. What is that? I need it. Oh, someone ate it. No, don't eat the head. There's chickadees running around. I am acting like I can't collect pink plorts. Oh, and those things are apparently called rock slimes. Pretty self-evident, I'm just stupid. Because of the fact they have rocks protruding out their back. Don't know what that is. I don't even want to know what that is. What's this? I thought I saw a weird shaped rock up here. Nope, that's a normal shaped rock. I mean, there is no normal shape for rock, so it's just a rock, I guess. Yep, still the boring old pink slimes. Drones are really hard to craft, though. Right, let's go back to the ranch and suck up stuff unnecessarily. Let's go sell so that I can afford to buy a feeder for them. Actually, no, I'll just need a corral for the others. Yeah, we're gonna keep those two far away to avoid mixing. And this is the one you want automated because rock slimes are dangerous. You stay there and make more plorts. And you two are all of you. You two? There's a lot more than two of you there. Okay, that's still going. Are all of you happy? Close enough. Here, have some. No, I need to feed the rock slimes. This is just enough for every one of them. I'm just gonna aggressively shove a carrot down my throat. Very humane. Whoever gets that gets to keep it. Well then, let's keep getting mail. So let's go see what this is about. Star mail. Rise and shine. Hey, Sorry, I blacked out there. Hey, hi. What's it like to sleep for a whole year? Did you dream? I can't imagine what that's like. 7Z puts you in a pod and then lights out for all that time. Wow. What's the far, far range like? Have you started exploring? Is the air as clear as they say? I bet it's really beautiful. I'm probably asking too many questions. I bet you have a lot of work to do on that ranch. I'm not sure I do. I still can't believe it's yours now. I guess I better leave you to it and just keep it short. Good luck. If anyone can make it out there, it's you. Yay, we got compliments. Secret Styles, Miss LeBeau. What if we told you that 7Z Corporation has developed technology called Secret Styles that allows slime to express themselves and show off their inner beauty as they saw it? If you answered that question, please know that we cannot hear you as you're reading Star Mail on visual display unit. However, we will proceed as if you are excited. We're so happy you're excited. Unfortunately, the cargo ship was this thing going along the slime sea containing these secrets exploded far off the I'm hoping this is a spaceship and not a ship. Unfortunately, the cargo ship containing all these secret styles exploded for completely unknown reasons and left them all over the far, far range. Please stay excited. I swear something's up with that. The 7Z Corporation. Miss LeBeau, the 7Z Corporation would like to welcome you to the far, far range. Welcome. And extended our support in your bold new adventure as a slime rancher. Support extended. We would also like to request that you exercise caution your first true danger around the run until you get more familiar with your surroundings. Traveling at night is not advisable. Lastly, should you require any additional tools for your backpack or items to make your slime ranching experience easier, the 7Z Corporation would be pleased to provide them to you from the shop located just outside your ranch house. The 7Z Corporation providing tools you need to get the job done. For us, a small fee. Wait, a small fee? Hoping I'm not going to have to pay money for this. Secret Styles. I have no clue about any of that. What are these? I'm guessing we'll discover them later. Return to ranch. FBI, open up. I'm here to collect some stuff. Don't you go mixing with. I'm not going in there. I kind of have to though, because I'm going to be broke if I don't. Okay, how do I? No, ma'am. Okay, right, grab one. Now be careful. Ah! No, you can go back out while I go sell your plorts. I hope there's no plorts in here. There's not good. Okay, right, let's go sell these rock plorts. Sell for a little bit more. I think I know what I'm going to look for. It's those weird striped slimes and the glowing ones with cores inside of them. What are those? They look like fireflies. Phosphor. I'm just gonna call it a philosopher. What are you? I believe these are called largos. Yeah. Largos are large slime hybrids, formed when a slime eats a plort unlike itself. Vac them on your nozzle or shoot them to send them flying. Bye bye! Let's keep marching. Pink plorts. I mean, I'm not complaining. That's a lie, I am complaining. No, I don't want carrots. Be gone. Be gone, thought. Ooh, pink plorts. You've been absolutely slaughtering the inhabitants of whatever lived here before you, haven't you? And now I just need to find the other thing, because I have watched some other playthroughs of Slime Rancher, and I believe the other variant of don't. You deserve to die to the slime sea. You will dissolve and become part of it, and I will watch you with great joy. Bye! And he's dead now. Anyway, as I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I kind of need that other variant of slime. I will take the pink plorts, but I do need the other variant of slime. Okay, I'm not sticking around with too many rock slimes. Why are there so many rock slimes? Okay, I think it's down this path. That's where the new slimes are, hopefully. Hopefully I've not just walked into a death. Oh, a secret, secret styles, that's what they're called. What is this for? Heavy metal. Ah! No, I don't want you. I want you. Oh, they're all heavy metal now. Yay. I'm just gonna. Something new. Tabby slimes. I'm gonna kidnap all of you. I nearly said murder there. It's not family friendly. Ah well. These guys are die-hard carnivores, so. Just vacuum everything up. It doesn't. Wait, I heard hen. You're just a baby hen. You have no use to me. You're a stony hen. You're a stony chick. Yeah, I don't need you anymore. I only need stony chick dudes. Where are the rest? I know they're around here. Are you still? Ooh, I'll take that. Apparently I won't actually. Still. And apparently water doesn't do anything. Right, this is about to hit the 20-minute mark, so I'm going to end the video when I get back to the ranch. And once I've finished all my stuff there, I'm going to end the video. I will be coming out with a new series on a game called Wobble Dogs. It is a bit laggy. I won't say any more about after that. So if you want more content, then just wait a day or two, and I will be out with the Wobble Dogs content. Right, let me go and march down this path. I think that's the right path. Probably, hopefully, maybe. Ooh, fly. Yeah, this is the path because the slime statues and the weird fence clothes. Right. I believe it's a coop I want. E to activate. Wait, I need to sell my things first. Okay, right, 4. That was 200. Right, let me activate this. Purchase. I'm gonna force some stony hands in there. The philosopher slime, as I'm going to insistently call them, are really hard to take care of and expensive. But anyway, I think I'm gonna end the video here. If you want more Slime Rancher content or more content of any games or suggest a game, then just comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye!